Chapter 7 Subhashit Kushumani Flowers of Good Saying Shushtu Bhashitam Shubhashitam. That which is said well is Subhashit, that is, epigram. Inexhaustible treasure of epigrams is found in Sanskrit. The literate believe that Prithvivyam Trini Ratnani Jalam Annam Subhashitam. There are three gems on the earth: water, food, and wise sayings. As water and food are inevitable for mankind, so is epigram also inevitable. Sanskrit epigrams introduce not only Indian culture or people, but they also introduce human culture. Hence, they guide every human life beyond the place and time. It is an undertaking, that is, approach to establish values in human life. Like a friend, these epigrams help in character building of a person. These epigrams also supply beautiful illustrations of the fact that how can a man experience happiness and joy by following, that is, practicing, things which are worthy to be grasped in life. It is a special feature of epigram to convey, that is, contain, ocean of wisdom in a small vessel. 7 epigrams are presented here which beautifully describe the value of good people's words, usefulness of trees, acquisition of virtues with efforts, loss caused by unstable-minded person, means of examining man, worth following virtues of great persons, and nature of resolute person are presented here, with a view to impart moral values, good qualities, and life skills in students who are citizens of tomorrow. These Subhashitas are presented here. सद्भिस्तु लील्या प्रोक्तम शिलालिखितम अक्षरम अशब्दी सपथेनापि जले लिखितम अक्षरम. As to something said by good people, even casually, it is like a letter inscribed on the rock. On the other hand, something said by weak people, even under oath or after taking oath, is like a letter written on the surface of the water. शेवितव्यो महावृक्षः फलछाया समन्वितः यदि देवात् फलं नास्ति छाया केन निवार्यते. A big tree having fruit and shade is worthy to be resorted to. Even if by chance there is no fruit, who can prevent one from enjoying its shade? आरोप्यते शिलाशैले यत्नेन महता यथा निपात्यते क्षणेन अतः तथात्मा गुणदोषयो. A boulder is placed on the mountain with mighty efforts, but it is pushed down in a moment. Likewise, in case of pencil going up and down due to virtue or vice. क्षणे रुष्टः क्षणे तुष्टः रुष्टः तुष्टः क्षणे क्षणे. अव्यवस्थित चित्तस्य प्रसादोपि भयंकरः. He is displeased in this moment and pleased in the next moment. Even a favor from the one whose mind is deranged is terrible to be feared. यथा चतुर्भिः कनकं परीक्षते निघर्षण छद्देन तापताडिनेः तथा चतुर्भिः पुरुषः परीक्षते श्रुतेन शिलेन गुणेन कर्मणा. As gold is tested in 4 ways, that is, by rubbing, cutting, heating, and striking. Man is also tested in 4 ways, that is, by education, character, virtue, and work. आपत्सु रामः समेरेषु भीमः दानेषु कर्णश्च नयेषु कृष्णः भीष्मः प्रतिज्ञा परिपालनेषु विक्रांत कार्येषु भवान् जनेयः. Be Ram in calamities, Bhim in battles, Karna in act of charity, Krishna in policies, Bhishma in fulfilling pledges, Hanuman in acts of valor. प्रारंभते न खलु विघ्न भयेन नीचेः प्रारंभय विघ्न विहिता विरमन्ति मध्याः विघ्नेः पुनः पुनरपि प्रतिहन्यमानाः प्रारंभ्य चोत्मजना न परित्यजन्ति. Indeed, the beginning of any works is not made by the lower persons owing to fear of obstacles. The middle ones stop after starting when they are struck down by difficulties. Once having started, the best kind of person do not give up even though they are beset with difficulties again and again.